Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to cook macaroni and cheese. First, I'm going to cook the fusilli pasta. 1 minute later, I'm adding mixed elbow and spiral pasta. Why I cook the fusilli pasta first? Because it is the biggest, so it takes longer to cook. So after I add the elbow and spiral pasta, they will cook together. And why I'm using 3 different type of pasta? Because I happen to have all of them, so I think it will be great to use all of it. While we wait for the pasta to cook until al dente, I'm preparing the garlic. About 2 or 3 cloves of garlic chopped finely. Here's a little tip. How to know your pasta is al dente is by eating it. If the pasta is still a little bit hard on the inside, it means it is al dente. Let's continue the preparation. I use only half of the onion. You can use the whole onion if you like it, and also chop it finely. This is my homemade smoked bacon. I will put the link down below if you are interested to learn how I made it. You can change it to any other protein you like, maybe chicken, sausage, beef, it's up to you. I purposely put the bacon on a cold pan because I think the best way to render the fat is from low to high heat. This looks well rendered, so I'm adding the onion and garlic. And then add the dry herbs. I'm using mix of dried thyme, dried oregano and dried rosemary. After that, add paprika powder and chili flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon each. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Cook it until it combines together like this. And pour the milk little by little. I'm using about 200 ml of milk. Let it simmer, and then add the grated cheddar cheese, about 100 grams. Season it with salt and black pepper, and you get the best béchamel sauce. It is creamy, cheesy, spicy, porky, and has a little bit hint of smoked flavor from the bacon. Pour the béchamel sauce onto the pasta. Mix it well. Season again with salt and black pepper. This is optional, but I'm adding mozzarella cheese to make it more creamy. Serve it in a bowl or plate, and then garnish it with fresh chopped parsley. And this is me eating the best mac and cheese I ever eat in my entire life. It is super creamy, super cheesy, also spicy from paprika and chili flake, and the bacon, oh my god, you never go wrong with bacon. And I think I can improve it even better. So I pour the mac and cheese onto the roasting tray. Add more mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Sprinkle with a little bit of black pepper and paprika powder. Here's a little tip. Add the paprika powder on a metal strainer and then shake it. It will spread evenly like this. Put it into the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. We don't want to cook the pasta again, we just want to melt cheese. And last but not least, garnish it with fresh chopped parsley. And this is it, how I make mac and cheese. If you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thank you very much guys, and I see you in the next video.